Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fit and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. And today we are going to continue lesson number 8, HTML and Introduction. And in the last video, we have done till creating a web page using HTML editor. And today we are going to continue next topic, that is viewing an HTML document. Yes, how we can see our HTML document. So web browsers are used to view the HTML documents. Yes, any web browsers we can use to see our document. So some commonly used web browsers are, first one is Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. Yes, any browser we can use to view HTML document. So unlike other browsers, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome does not have menu bar. Yes, वो कह रहे हैं जैसे इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर और मोजिला फायरफॉक्स के ऊपर क्या होता है, वहाँ पे मेन्यू बार होता है, बट गूगल क्रोम डजंट हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ मेन्यू बार. सो यू have to open an HTML file by pressing Ctrl plus O shortcut key. Yes, Ctrl plus O is used to open. So which steps we have to follow? First one is enter the letter for the drive in which your HTML file is present. Yes, firstly we have to open Google Chrome, and after that on the address bar we have to type the drive. Yes, in which drive our file is there. For example, here they are typing C drive, because here they have saved their file HTML document in the C drive. So next press the enter key. The directories and files on that particular drive will be displayed. After typing drive, then we have to press the enter key. So corresponding drive will open, and in that drive particular files will also open. So now navigate to the directory that contains the HTML file. Yes, after that we have to click on the directory where our file is there. So click on the HTML file. Once you find it in the list, the file will be displayed in the Chrome window. After that we have to click on the particular file name. Yes, that according to that we can click on file name. Yes, and that particular file will open. So next is HTML document structure. Yes, जो हमारा HTML document है उसका structure क्या है, in which way we can create HTML document. So there are two sections for creating HTML document. First one is head part and second one is body part. Yes, two sections are there, head and body. So first we have head section. The head section provides general information about the document. For example, the title, define a title for the page number on the browser's title bar. Yes, head section we can use to give general information about the document. For example, in this section we can also give title of the document. Next one is body section. So body section will contain particular tags. Yes, the body section contains the text which get displayed on the web page along with other tags and attributes. Yes, इसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे, टेक्स्ट राइट करेंगे जो पर्टिकुलर वेब पेज पे डिस्प्ले होगा. Yes, and we can include text, graphics and other HTML elements also that provide controls and formatting to a page, like fonts, paragraph, list and other elements. Yes, other elements we can also include. Next is basic HTML tags. Basic HTML tags. You know very well, if we want to create any type of a web page, then there is need of tags. Yes, there is need of tag. So HTML is a tag based language and contain various elements, tags and attributes. Tags are the building blocks of a web page. Yes, this is the main thing to create any type of web page. Tags contain elements which define how the information on a web page is formatted or displayed. Yes, टैग्स के अंदर क्या होते हैं, एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जो बताते हैं, डिफाइन करते हैं कि हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन वेब पेज पे कैसे डिस्प्ले होगी. सो अ टैग इंक्लूड टेक्स्ट इनक्लोज्ड इन एंगल ब्रैकेट्स. यस, if we want to use any type of tag, then there is need to add these angle brackets. Yes, inside the angle bracket we have to write tag. For example, if we want to write HTML tag, then firstly we have to use start angle bracket, then HTML, and after that closing angle bracket. So all tags have their own attributes and default values. हर एक tag का अपना rule है. Yes, कि हम उसको कैसे define करेंगे. Each tag in HTML follows specific rules and these are known as syntax. Yes, सो दीज टैग्स आर नॉट केस सेंसिटिव, ये जो टैग्स हैं ये क्या केस सेंसिटिव नहीं है. वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इन अपर case letter also and in lower case letter also. So tags are also known as elements. Yes, this is the another name of tags. Next is types of HTML elements. How many types of elements are there? There are two types of tags. HTML elements means tags, that is container and empty. So what are the container elements? In HTML, the tags that include both on and off tags are called container elements. Yes, जो tags जिनके पास on and off दोनों tags होते हैं, that are called container elements, and a tag is opened using opening angle brackets and closed using closing angle brackets. Yes, for example, if we have started, we are using this HTML tag, then to close this tag we have to choose this one, closing tag. Yes, this one slash is used for closing. This is opening tag, this is closing tag. So what is the correct way to use tag? Firstly we have to start tag, then tag second, then there is need to firstly we have to close the second tag, and after that we have to close the tag first. Yes, tag first we have started, then tag 2, then tag 2 firstly we have to close, and after that tag 1 we have to close. Yes, this is the correct way and this is the wrong way. Here you can see tag 1 they have started, then tag 2, but they have closed now here tag 1 firstly, but this is the wrong way. This one is correct way. So next is empty elements. What are the empty elements? If any type of element contain only on tags, they do not have off tags, then these elements do not enclose any data. Instead they do some function on their own. For example, BR tag, it neither has its corresponding off tag nor closes any data. Yes, basically empty tag elements जो हैं उनमें only on tag होता है, but there is no any type of off tag. Yes, only on tag is there. For example, आप देख सकते हो जो BR tag है, this is used for break. Yes, this is used for break. BR means break. तो आप देखोगे, अभी हम नेक्स्ट करेंगे प्रोग्राम्स, तो जब भी आप BR टैग यूज़ करोगे तो इसका आप कोई भी क्लोजिंग टैग यूज़ नहीं करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू हैव यूज्ड दिस BR टैग, yes, and after that then no need to close this tag. Yes, so let us discuss the basic structure of an HTML document. Yes, now we are going to write the HTML code. Yes, structure of the HTML document means code, how we can write HTML code. So first one is the HTML tag marks the beginning of an HTML document. Its corresponding closing tag is this one. At the end of the document, everything is written within these tags. If the commands are not enclosed in tags, then a web browser will assume the commands as a simple text. Yes, HTML, whenever we will start any program, whenever we will write any HTML code, then firstly we have to use HTML tag. Yes, and at last we have to use closing HTML tag. So next is the head. This is the first element contained inside the HTML element. Yes, this is the first tag contained inside the HTML. After writing HTML, we have to use the head. It contains no text within itself. इसके अंदर हमने कोई भी टेक्स्ट राइट नहीं करना. Yes, so next is the title tag has to be given within the head tags. Yes, inside the head we have to use title. It contains the title of the document and title must be short and less than 64 characters. Yes, हम अपने document का title भी provide कर सकते हैं, and for that we have to use this title tag. So the body tag contains the contents of your document which get placed on the web page in your browser. The body tag we use as formatting elements, images, heading, list, etc. to enhance the appearance of a web page. Yes, after firstly we have to use HTML. Yes, next head. Inside the head we have to use title. Yes, and after title we have to use body tag. Yes, and inside the body any type of tags we can use. This is the structure to create HTML program. Yes, so next we have more tags in HTML. Yes, now we are going to discuss tags that we can use in our HTML. So first one is heading tags, that is from H1 to H6. Yes, H means heading, and total 6 tags are there. Heading tags are 6 in numbers. Yes, from H1 to H6. So these tags are used to define different heading levels in an HTML document. These are basically used to emphasize the text. Emphasize means focus करना, ये text के ऊपर focus करेंगे. So there are 6 heading levels, H1 to H6. H1 heading style display the text in the largest size, and H6 is used for the lowest size. Yes, for the lowercase letters. So the lower levels are used for subheadings and less important things. It is not essential to use heading levels in hierarchy. Yes, हम ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने पहले H1 यूज़ कर दिया, then H2, then H3, then H4. Yes, no need to use in ascending or descending order. Randomly we can pick any heading. So these heading tags are written within the body tag of the document. Inside the body we have to use heading tags. Yes, so let us discuss program how to make HTML code. Firstly we have to use HTML tag, then head tag. Inside the head we have to use title. Now we are giving here title using heading style. Yes, according to our requirement we can give any title, and now there is need to close this title tag. Yes, this is closing title. Now head we have to close. Yes, inside the head title we have written. Now we have closed here title, and head also we have closed. Now there is need to start body tag, because inside the body we have to write the main things, main tags we have to use. So first one they have used here now H1, and whatever any according to our requirement, any information, any text we can write in these tags. Yes, for example they have they are using here now H1 tag, and after that text they have written. Yes, and now they have closed here H1 tag heading. First one heading tag they have closed. Now they have used here H2, then closed H2. H3 started, H3 closed, H4, H5, H6. Yes, the same way they have used all tags from H1 to H6. But according to your requirement you can use any one of them. Yes, any one of them, any two of them, any three, according to your requirement you can use any number. So now you can see, after writing all the heading tags, now they have closed body. Yes, because body we have started here. After that we have written the heading tags, and now there is need to close body, and after that at last we have to close this HTML tag. Yes, and now after writing this code we have to save our document. Yes, and which extension we have to use? We have to use .html. Firstly we have to write a file name, and after that .html extension. Yes, and after that by using any web browser we have to open our file. Yes, now you can see they have used here directory C, and file name is webpage.html. Yes, and after that we have to press enter key, and a corresponding output it will show to us. Yes, corresponding output it will show to us. Now we can see output. So how it's output, I am explaining now output. You can see firstly we have used here H1 tag. तो आप हमने पहले ही पढ़ा है कि जो H1 टैग है ये किसके लिए यूज़ होता है? H1 इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द लार्जेस्ट साइज. यस, तो आप देख सकते हो H1 में जो भी हमने टेक्स्ट लिखा है वो क्या है? लार्जेस्ट साइज में है. आफ्टर दैट H2 थोड़ा सा कम साइज, देन H3 उससे भी कम, H4 उससे भी कम, एंड H6 इज यूज्ड फॉर वेरी स्मॉल typing. Yes, very small type of words. Yes, so in this way we can use heading. So this is enough for today, students. Rest of the tags we will discuss in the next video. Okay, so take care students, have a nice day, goodbye.